no sponsored products, just everything that I bought with my own money during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Hi, I'm Somita and welcome back to my channel. I review beauty products and today we are going to open this box which is from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale which I bought recently. And it got delivered before the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Few things are here and some are coming on the way. So consider this as a part 1 of Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. This time I have shopped for things that I actually needed and not just random purchases. I try to limit my purchases nowadays because I already have so many beauty products and this is not sponsored anyway. I tried my best to make most out of this Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So let's get into what I have actually bought. First up is something that is a repurchase, and I first tried a smaller bottle of the shampoo and I really liked it. This is a L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Gloss Extra Gloss Shampoo. I'm already using this shampoo and you can see how this is giving a very glossy finish to my hair. Since I work out and I have sweating on my head, and when I started using it has reduced that oiliness and it actually feels good, smells good, and that's why I bought a bigger bottle of this shampoo. This is 1 liter, and with this I actually got the conditioner which I have not used yet, but now I will try it. I got some 50% off on this combo. And if you're also thinking to try this product, I would suggest go for the smaller size ones. Try and see if it suits you or not, and then you go for a bigger bottle. That is what I have done. So moving on to the next product now. So this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This is in the shade Blue Mist, and I never tried a blue mascara before, and it was in a good deal. I will write everything in the description and above. I thought I'll try this on my dusky complexion. I'm going to come up with another video, so stay tuned and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Retail price is $7.99, but I got it 40 to 45% off. Right now Maybelline, they give some 50%, buy one get one or 50% off. I have seen on Nykaa, so you can go and check it out if you are thinking of buying something from the brand Maybelline. Next up is something I saw on the first day of the Nykaa sale. I saw the best offer on NYX. It was buy one get one, and that's why I bought this one. This was on my wish list for a long time. I was waiting for a sale and a good offer, and I got that. This is the NYX Professional, some people call it NYX, Bear With Me Concealer Serum. And with this I got the NYX Professional Thickest Ticket. The shade is Espresso. I was using the ELF Cosmetics brow gel, and now I thought I should try another brand, and what best to try on when there's NYX on offer on Nykaa. I got another product from this same brand, which is a lip balm. Let me open it. The fragrance smells of some fruity pineapple and the texture is blurry. Actually, it blurs your lips. I got the transparent shade. There are different shades available on this product, but I wanted to try a transparent shade. Next up is this is the NYX Lip Ivy. I already have one shade from this lipstick range. I love lipsticks, as you know. I do lipstick swatches as well, and I have the Lip Ivy from NYX, which is in the shade Dripping in Rose. And now I bought the shade Mocha Me Wet, which is also a very viral shade. This is the shade. It stains your lips as well. Definitely it is a very beautiful shade. This will suit all the Indian skin tones, and I already have one of the shades from this range. Feels very comfortable on the lip. Next up is another fun product, and this is something, when I was opting for this, I thought if I am buying a blue mascara, then why not buy a pink eyeliner. This is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Liner. I am very excited to try this and see how this looks on me. And I am definitely someone who loves wearing some fun makeup. Next up, as you know, I love lipsticks, and there is no purchase which is without a lipstick. This is a dupe of the Fenty Beauty. That is what it is called, and it is famous for. But I bought it for the shade. This is the shade, and this is a balmy glossy lipstick. This is from the brand Colors Queen, very famous, and I would say internet made me to buy this one as well. and I actually bought two shades from this range, and I'm going to come up with a lipstick review of these two shades. The shade in my hand is Honey 08. Wow, it is really glossy and the shade is seriously very pretty. So this is the Color Queen High Shine Gloss Stick, color changing lip softener. It's a freebie, and I believe this is a pH changing lip balm kind of thing. So I wanted a mascara which is transparent, and I was actually looking for Elf Cosmetics. Then I found out another brand called Inside Cosmetic. It was very reasonable. So I think this will be much better for someone who have lashes and they don't want a additional black color on it. They can try this. Next up is this. So I got the Miss Claire nail glue. This is not something that was in offer. It was just 10% off, but I wanted this. But the biggest disappointment is the Nykaa freebie that I got with the orders. It was like if you purchase more than 3,000, Nykaa was giving a freebie, a free gift on the first day. So they gave me this gift, Minimalist the Daily Radiance Ritual. I was expecting something else. There are three products in this. There is vitamin C, there is a sunscreen, and there is a cleanser. Expiry is on January 27. It is close to expiry. Since I bought a lot of makeup products, I expected that Nykaa will give me something in makeup. I'm not so happy, but okay. So other than that, I got a very good deal. I try to buy things that I really needed and not go overboard with sale. And that is what I want to tell all my viewers, that purchase things that you really want to try, and not only because they are on sale. So think wisely, shop wisely. The sale is still live, and if my haul has given you a good insight about what to buy and not to buy, so do hit a like and subscribe my channel, because I'm going to bring more such videos for you. Let me know what you have bought from the sale in the comments, and I will see you in the next video where I put these things on test. So keep watching and subscribe my channel.